So what is up, YouTube? Triple Threat TV here, and today we're going to be doing the first part of our video. So let's get right into it. So basically, if you didn't catch what we were doing, we are going to play a game of horse, and the 3 losers actually have to eat a habanero in the library. So yeah, let's get back to the video. This first shot's going to be from the middle. No. Alright, you have to make this or you get a letter, dude. Oh, he got it. Lucky. How do you feel? You ready to eat a habanero?
I feel like Kobe.
He said he feels like Kobe. He's old and retired, so good luck.
That's why.
Oh. Alright, my shot. Oh.
So for my next shot, I'm going to be shooting from the bleachers. It's a little bit risky, but I think I can do it.
That's in.
That's in.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. I'm not confident in this shot.
Oh.
How did you miss that, man?
Alright, your turn.
How can you get that far?
Go.
That's in there!
Yeah, excuses.
Alright. Alright, we're on H.O.R.S.E. For my next shot, I'm going to be shooting the free throw. Like one of the easiest shots of the game.
I'm very good at threes. This is my hot spot.
Brick.
Oh, I'm thinking from this blue piece of tape, it's about 5 feet from the 3-point line.
Oh. Oh. Alright, it's my shot.
Here you go, it's my shot. I mean, I started out good.
Don't miss. Alright, Trey's turn again. Trey, where are you shooting from?
I'm shooting from right here.
Ooh.
This looks so short.
Oh. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Okay, your turn. Yeah, it's from right here.
Oh, everyone made it.
Let's go. Alright, Trey, where's your next shot?
I'm shooting from right here, the corner of the free throw.
Alright, so I'm gonna shoot from right here, a corner shot.
Oh, my shot.
Brick.
Go!
Alright, good shot.
Come on, Jim. You miss it.
Alright, it's my shot.
Alright, Wes.
So right now I'm shooting from this white line, and I have to make it. Oh.
I was hoping he would not make it. I'm so bad.
Just shoot.
Triggered. Triggered. How does he miss that? How does he miss that?
It's his turn.
Oh.
That was close.
That was. Alright, it's my turn. There's a lot of pressure on this shot right here.
Oh.
All right, Wes, where's your next shot?
I'm gonna go risky. This white part of the volleyball court. It's gonna be in there.
Oh! So for my next shot, I'm gonna be shooting the corner three. Let me just splash this real quick.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not getting a habanero. All right, come on, Jay. Oh!
All right, Trey, your turn.
Oh! No! Oh my!
You're kidding me.
I'm gonna shoot from this white line.
Oh, that was close. All right, I'm gonna shoot. Free throw line.
Oh! Oh! How? Oh!
Let's go. I don't miss.
I'm gonna redeem myself.
All right, I'm gonna shoot from this blue line. Oh, I thought that was in. My turn. Heart shot.
What? He's gonna miss.
Follow me out here. All right, so for my next shot, I'm going to be shooting from all the way up here. That's in.
Oh! You did not! You did not just make that!
On a scale, how scared are you?
I'm about like, out of 10?
Yeah, no, yeah, out of 10.
Like a 12. If I miss this, I'm one letter away from eating the 10th hottest pepper in the world.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Might as well get it over with.
No way. All right, here I go.
Oh. How did you make that?
How do you make it?
Oh, you threw it right to him. What are you doing?
I'm going to do a running three.
That was horrible. Why would you even... So, for my next shot, I'm going to be shooting from this white lawn.
Oh my god. What? J shot.
Miss this. You have to eat a habanero.
Oh my. Here, be quiet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. He's eating a habanero. All right, Trey. Shooting for a habanero. Don't miss. Oh my. Now I have to. No pressure, no pressure. I tried to dunk it.
That was... Oh my. Wait, we all have H.O.R.S. This is coming down to the final... This is the final shot.
Uh-oh.
This is for habanero.
Right here. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness!
You got this.
Oh!
I'm gonna be shooting it from right here. Oh my gosh!
Good luck! I don't miss! I don't miss!
So what is up, guys? Today we're gonna film the second part of our video. We're here at the library and we have our peppers right here and our ice cream and milk over there, and we actually added a little bit of a challenge to this. We're gonna try to go 3 minutes without drinking any sort of milk. So let's go ahead and get right into that. We just got our peppers and we're about to eat them. Go ahead and show your peppers. Pepper. Got your pepper. All right, we're about to put the peppers in our mouth. 10, 9, 8, 7. Quick, get the pepper. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Give me the ice. He didn't even eat it. He didn't even eat it.
Was it hot? Yeah. On a scale of like 1 to 10, how hot was it? 25. No, don't stop. So it's been 7 minutes since they ate the pepper.
Go away. I put things on my t-shirt under me. Insane.
I work security here, so I have to know what's going on in the library. I'm just checking out. Y'all aren't making a mess or anything.
Oh, no, sir.
What are y'all doing? Just eating ghost peppers?
Oh, yeah, we were actually eating a pepper, and we played a game of H.O.R.S.E. the other day, and the 3 losers had to eat the pepper.
Okay. So y'all be okay? I don't have to worry about nothing?
No, sir.
I appreciate it.
It's the biggest waste of $4 in my life. Swishing it around in your mouth and spitting it back out. I just feel nauseous.